Welcome, guys. Have y'all heard a problem with fire ants? Because I got a problem with fire ants. But the only way I know to take care of these fire ants is using a pound of tannerite. Let's see what a pound of tannerite does. But guys, with shooting the tannerite, I'm going to be using a new gun handy rifle, chamber 223. And I'm going to be using this umbrella because it's probably going to rain the fire ants. And also, I got a first aid kit just in case to be doing the fire ant dance here in a minute. So guys, let's get to it. Well guys, I truly believe I got rid of the fire ants. But guys, please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel at Jeb Slack. Hey guys, thanks for watching.